Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account and launching AI Studio. This gets permission and API access out of the way. Once signed in, create a new project and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Upload your primary assets, script, images, and any voice files, and set your project language and output resolution to match your platform. Make sure media uses a 16:9 ratio where possible, because AI Studio aligns animations and text blocks to that canvas. Now assemble your scenes by laying out the storyboard and dragging media into each slot. This is where structure takes shape. Once done, select templates and transitions that match your tone and set precise scene durations to fit spoken lines. Add a voiceover track, either TTS or uploaded audio, then sync it to the timeline, nudging clips for natural pauses. Make sure titles and callouts use consistent sizing and contrast so viewers process visuals while listening without strain. Finish by previewing the complete video from start to end and watch for sync problems or timing drift. Adjust scene lengths and captions accordingly. Once satisfied, export using the recommended codec and resolution for your platform and confirm file size meets upload limits. If you hit export errors or missing assets, clear your browser cache, reupload the problematic files, or split very large media into smaller segments. This usually resolves upload timeouts and rendering failures, and lets you re-export cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.